What's up, guys? Here we are with another Giant, and today is the Giant Stance 29-2. The color is Blue Ashes, size small, men. So let's open this. Let's go. So many. Stapler today. Okay, need the knife for this snake knife. Joke. No. So na. Right off the bat, we have the seat post and the seat. Here is the seat post and the seat. Lift it up. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the Blue Ashes with the black. Inside there's a small box. Let's open this. Okay, so there are papers, manual, bicycle owner's manual. We have some sealant, zip ties, bell, reflectors. That's it. So let's So here we are, guys. We have a jar on the rear derailleur. It's 1x12. There's no pedals, so look at this. The shock is SR Suntour Ride-On. The tires are Forecaster. So what else do we have? Papamino Man. Shimano brakes, I don't know. I don't care. Your shifter. Fork guy. Also SR Suntour. I did it. Giant, you know. Oh, it's a giant fork. It's a giant fork. Alright, guys, so it's done. Link in the description for the specs. This ain't they don't provide pedals, so I put my own pedals. So here, this is the sound of the hubs. That's the sound of the hubs, guys. It's the bike weight is about, I don't know, here. Guys,